Answer the following questions. The question given here is you can shield a charge from electrical forces by putting it inside a hollow conductor. Can you shield a body from the gravitational influence or nearby matter by putting it inside the hollow sphere or in some other means? The answer is no, because the gravitational force doesn't depend on the material medium, okay, the type of material medium. It is independent of the presence of other materials. The second question given here is an astronaut inside a small spaceship orbiting around the Earth cannot detect gravity. If the space station orbiting around the Earth has very large size, can he hope to detect gravity? So the answer is yes. If the size of the space station is large, then he can detect gravity. So the question given here is, if you compare the gravitational force on Earth due to the Sun that due to the Moon, you would find that Sun pull is greater than that of Moon pull. So you can check yourself by using the data which is available in the succeeding exercises. However, the tidal effect of the Moon pull is greater than the tidal effect of Sun. Why? So it is given that apart from the gravitational pull, the tidal effect is also depends on the cube of the distance between the two. Okay, that is the two masses what we are taking. It can be Sun or Earth or Moon or Earth. Since the distance between the Earth and Sun is much larger than the distance between the Sun and Moon, so it is not also balances but more than the effect of gravitational force. Thus, the tidal effect of the Moon's pull is greater than the tidal effect of the Sun.